Hi everyone. Besides the full demonstration of our application on the cloud, here are three supplements: introduction, discussion, and research, as well as our future work. Okay, a quick introduction of our small team. We are less experienced, so we started very early as late January. Why to choose this project? Actually, it's very simple. We see the problem, we identify a solution, and we're trying to make a very good positioned solution comparing with our 2000 similar applications. Here is the fact and the problem. As you can see, actually I think it's quite serious. Here is the figure, and it's kind of astonishing that more than 40% of the whole population is being concerned with the diabetes-related symptoms. Here are some, side problems also alongside the diabetes. As you can see, it's a long list, and it's a list should raise enough cautious from everybody. Okay, and to solve this problem, we have slightly a different point of view. We strongly believe that the solution should be, people act proactively to remain a healthy lifestyle. That's a key point, rather than any afterwards, curement or medication. So it's our philosophy to build our application, to achieve this proactive, healthy lifestyle. Okay, here's our unique strengths comparing with our other 2000 similar sim applications. We have a very focused function, focus on four functions: track the glucose value, the workout value, the meal calories, as well as the record of the medications. It's quite straightforward, just it's very simple, easy to use, and friendly. And comparing with most of our competitors, they're charging something. Ours are quite free. This is work together to help with our goals, to build a healthy lifestyle. Because our target is for a product to go to market, so our research is on the is kind of quite uh, realistic. We focus on the current products in the market, 20 applications in the States, one in Europe, COSI, one in Singapore, and one in China. It's kind of interesting that after the abstraction, we realized that there are so many in common, so we decided to abstract some key functions as our four functions. Then, we first raise the demand, how to build our applications. Then we start to think how to realize that function by some technologies. Of course, as well as how to deploy that into the clouds. Of course, there are many gaps between our projects. The first is actually due to the FHIR. We haven't implemented that because we tried with a local server, but we kind of enjoying the simplicity of the MySQL this time. We also, did not implement to Google Cloud this time because of the high charge, but we will try next. This is okay actually, I think, but we, for study purpose, we should try something else. Okay, here's the future work. There's a lot to do regarding the study purpose. For example, as we mentioned, these three we mentioned earlier, but I would like to personally emphasize this part, the best practice. We are kind of less experienced, so we do realize that as long as we can stick to the best practice, we can learn things very fast and very quick. So this is the key takeaways actually during our product development. And for as well as the commercial purpose, we are it's kind of we have confidence because we realize the first time that it's not so complex to have a product ready, a commercial product ready, the very first time comparing with our competitors. So we will study. For me, I'm going to start looking for some other opportunities to practice my skills. Of course, although the chance is very small, but uh, it is have some. So we are going to let this go to the market and see what's going on. What will happen later. In case there's some positive feedbacks, for example, there's a autonomous user growth, we will continue to work on this product. Okay, thank you so much, and you have a great day.